I am going to present a topic in digital image processing. Let us see the introduction. It is the first chapter, digital image and digital image processing. What is an image? An image is a two-dimensional signal that can be observed by human visual system. Digital image is the representation of images by sampling in time and space. Digital image processing performs digital signal processing operations on digital images. What is image processing? Image processing is a method to perform some operations on an image to get an enhanced image or to extract some useful information from it. The method to convert an image into digital form and perform some operations on it to get an enhanced image or to extract some useful information from it. It is a type of signal processing in which input is an image. The output may be image or characteristics. If input is an image, the input can be a video frame or photograph. The system processes that image by using efficient algorithms and gives an output. The output may be an image or characteristic or features associated with that image. Common example for image processing is Adobe Photoshop. This is most widely used in digital processing. Here let us see an example here. An image, this is captured by an ordinary camera and it has been sent to a digital system to remove all the other details and just focus on the water drop by zooming it in such a way that the quality of the image remains the same. You can see from the picture that is, first the image captured is both the leaf and the water drops. Then it is passed on to the camera, that is camera, a digital system. Here processed and finally we get an output, that is only the droplets, water droplets. Image processing includes three steps. One is importing, analyzing and manipulating, and the output. Importing is nothing but the image, importing the image through the acquisition tools, and we have to analyze the image and it should be manipulated. The output is the result that can be altered image based on image analysis. Purpose of digital image processing can be divided into 5 groups. One is visualization, image sharpening and restoration, image retrieval, measurement of pattern, image recognition. Visualization observes the objects that are not visible. Image sharpening and restoration creates a better image. Image retrieval seeks for the image of interest. Measurement of pattern measures various objects in an image. Image recognition distinguishes the objects in an image. An image is a two-dimensional function f of x comma y, where x and y are the two coordinates horizontally and vertically. The value of f of x y at any point gives the pixel value at that point of an image. X and y are nothing but the spatial or plane coordinates, and the amplitude of f at any pair of coordinates x comma y is called the intensity or gray level of the image at that point. Digital image processing refers to processing digital images by means of a digital computer. Here pixel is nothing but this is used to denote elements of digital image. What is digital image processing? The continuum from image processing to computer vision can be broken up into low, mid and high level process. In low level process, the input is an image and the output is also an image. In mid level process, input is an image, output are the attributes. And for high level process, input or attributes and the output is nothing but the understanding. Low level process involve primitive operations like image pre-processing to reduce noise, contrast enhancement and image sharpening. Mid level processing and images involves segmentation. Segmentation is nothing but the partitioning the image into regions or objects. To classify these concepts, consider the area of automated analysis of text. The process of acquiring an image, the area containing text, pre-processing that image, extracting the individual characters, describing the characters in the form suitable for computer processing, recognizing the individual characters, and this is called as the digital image processing. Origins of digital image processing. Newspaper industry. When picture was first sent by submarine cable between London and New York. In 1920, battline cable was used for picture transmission. It reduced the time required to transport picture across Atlantic from more than 1 week to less than 3 hours. Specialized printing equipment coded pictures for cable transmission was used at the receiving end. The printing method was abandoned in 1921. A new technique called photographic reproduction made from tapes at the telegraph receiving terminal. The early battline system codes images in 5 different gray levels. In 1929, this was increased to 15 levels. During this period, a system for developing a film plate through light beams were modulated. The given examples are only digital images, but not the results of digital image processing, since no computer is involved in creation. Digital images require such storage and computational power. Digital image processing depends on the development of digital computers and supporting technologies that include data storage, display, and transmission. In 1940, modern digital computer was introduced with 2 key concepts: a memory to hold a stored program and data, and the other one is conditional branching. 2 ideas are basis for central processing unit, that is the heart of the computer. Computers are used in digital image processing. Key advances can be summarized as 1948 invention of transistor at Bell Laboratories. 1950s and 1960s high level programming languages, this COBOL and Fortran. COBOL, common business oriented language. Fortran, formula translator. 1958 invention of integrated circuit at Texas Instruments. Early in 1960s development of operating system. 1970 development of microprocessor by Intel. 1981 introduction of IBM for personal computer. In late 1970s large scale integration, that is LI. In 1980s very large scale integration, VLSI. Presently ULSI is used, that is ultra large scale integration. 1960s powerful computer to carry image processing tasks appeared. 1970s computerized axial tomography, also called computerized tomography, are used in image processing for medical diagnosis. Image enhancement and restoration used to process degraded images. In archaeology, blurred pictures can be recovered by using image processing techniques. Similar successful applications in image processing, that is astronomy, biology, nuclear medicine, law enforcement, defense and industry are used. Next, we are going to see about the fundamental steps in digital image processing. The steps that are in digital image processing are image acquisition, image filtering and enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, wavelets and multi-resolution processing, compression, morphological processing, segmentation, representation and description, object recognition, and the center given is knowledge base. The input we give is the problem domain. The essential steps when processing digital images are acquisition, enhancement, restoration, color image restoration, wavelets, morphological processing. For all this, the outputs are digital images. Morphological processing, segmentation, representation, recognition. For all this, the outputs are the attributes of the given image. Image acquisition is the first process. Here, the image acquisition stage involves pre-processing, such as scaling. That is, the obtained image is first scaled. Image enhancement. Image enhancement is the process of manipulating an image so that the result is more suitable than the original for a specific application. You can see the lack of contrast. For this, we have applied image enhancement technique. The other picture, blurring or blurred image. For this, we have applied here the image enhancement technique to get a clear view. Image restoration is an area that also deals with improving the appearance of an image. Here, motion blur picture. That picture we can see after applying image restoration. Here noise, you can see the removal of noise by applying image restoration. Color image processing is an area that has been gaining in importance because of the significant increase in the use of digital images over the internet. Wavelets are the foundation for representing images in various degrees of resolution. Compression deals with the techniques for reducing the storage required to save an image or the bandwidth required to transmit it. Morphological processing, this deals with the tools for extracting image components that are useful in the representation and description of shape. Segmentation, partitioning an image into its constituent parts or objects. Representation and description, this follows the output of segmentation stage. We have here boundary representation and regional representation. Boundary representation, when it focuses on external shape characteristics such as corners and inflections. Regional representation, when it focuses on internal properties such as texture or skeletal shape. Recognition, process that assigns a label to an object based on its descriptors. Next we are going to see about the components of image processing. Components is that what are all we use, that is network. This is connected to the computer is connected to image displays, and the other end is connected to mass storage. The lower end is connected to the hard copy image processing software, then specialized image processing hardware, then image sensors. Problem domain is given as input. Specialized image processing hardware, this consists of digitizer, hardware that performs primitive operations, arithmetic logic unit that performs arithmetic and logical operations. The hardware can be called as front end subsystem. Next is the computer. The computer in an image processing system is nothing but a PC that can be used from a PC to a supercomputer. Software is nothing but image processing consists of specialized modules that perform specific tasks. Software packages allow the integration of these modules, and general purpose software commands, at least one computer language is used. Mass storage, this is important in image processing. Image of size 1024 into 1024 pixels. Each pixel is an 8-bit quantity. This requires 1 megabit of storage space. Digital storage for image processing applications falls into 3 categories: short-term storage, online storage, and archival storage. Storage can be measured in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and terabytes. Image displays, this is used for mainly color TV monitors. Used in monitors are driven by the outputs of image, and graphics displayed cause an integral part of the computer system. Hard copy devices for recording images include laser printers, film cameras, heat sensitive devices, inkjet units, and digital units. Networking is a default function in any computer system that is used today. Thank you.